100% polyester. Imported. Ultra soft, reversible fuzzy faux fur and Sherpa blanket adds unique style to your space. 100% polyester construction provides a lush, cozy hand feel and durability that lasts. Wrinkle-resistant and breathable for all-season comfort. Machine washable on gentle, cold, tumble dry on low. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 Factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Dimensions measure 50 by 60 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Soft and fluffy. Love this blanket. It is bunny soft and fluffy. It's been washed and dried once, and it came out beautifully. I ordered cream, and the color is true to what I saw on my monitor. Not a glaring snow white but a soft white. For me, I like to sleep a bit cooler. This being said, I do find it on the warm side, but as we are just heading into late fall in New England, it will probably be perfect in the upcoming freezing cold months. Lol. Quality is good, I find no open seams as others have reported and the reasonable price is appreciated. It did take about 3 weeks to arrive, but other than that, I highly recommend this mid-weight dreamy blanket.